Hello, my dear students. This is Rupali teacher, and today I'm going to teach you a new poem of Standard Second. Okay, the name of the poem is I Love Little Pussy. Children, you all have pets. Yes, some of you must be having pets, and you know when we have a pet how much we start loving and caring them. Correct? Some of you might be having bird, some of you might be having cat, some of you must be having dog. Okay, so pets can be any animal which is not harmful to us. Okay, we take care of them as a family member. So same in this poem, I love little pussy. There is a girl. The girl loves the cat. Okay, cat is also called as pussy. Okay, another name for cat is pussy. Okay, students, so first I am going to recite the poem for you. You will have to repeat after me. Okay, I love little pussy, her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her she will do me no harm. So I will not pull her tail nor drive her away, but pussy and I very gently will play. I will sit by the fire and give her some food, and pussy will love me as I'm gentle and good. I love my little pussy very much. So this is the recitation of the poem. Listen, okay? You have to first learn how to recite the poem. Listen, sing and act. So first learn to recite the poem I love little pussy. Now once again I will recite it for you. I love little pussy, her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her she will do me no harm. So I will not pull her tail nor drive her away, but pussy and I very gently will play. I will sit by the fire and give her some food, and pussy will love me as I'm gentle and good. I love my little pussy very much. Okay, so there is a girl in the poem and there is a cat. Cat is pussy. So the girl and the pussy, they love each other very much. The girl says that I love my little pussy very much. Her coat is so warm. Now what is the meaning of coat? Is the cat wearing the coat? No. The coat means the fur of the cat. Okay, the skin of the cat. Okay, it is hairy, somewhat hairy. So the girl says her coat is so warm. It is warm. She don't feel cold when she is around, when the pussy is around. And if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. Yes, children, this is very important. So when you have a pet at your home, and if you love them, if you take care of them, they will not hurt you. But if you try to pinch them, if you try to play with their tails, disturb them when they are sleeping, of course they will get angry and they may harm you. So what you have to do, take care of your pet. Don't hurt them, don't hurt them, and they will also do the same thing. They will do no harm to you. Fine. Now let's see the next stanza. What does the girl says in the next stanza? She says, so I will not pull her tail nor drive her away, but pussy and I very gently will play. The girl says that I will not pull the tail of my pussy. I will not touch the tail. Okay? Nor drive her away. Neither I am going to push or pull her anywhere. So what will I do? I am going to play very gently with the pussy. I will play very gently with the pussy without hurting it. Okay? Now, what is the next thing? Now let's see the third one, third stanza. I will sit by the fire and give her some food, and pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. Okay? I love my little pussy very much. The girl says that I will sit by the fire with the cat and give her some food, and pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. Okay? So if the girl sits near the fire with the cat and give her some food, the pussy will love the girl. And why she will love? Because the girl is being gentle. She is giving her food. She is taking care of her properly. So they will love each other. They will take care of each other. So see this picture. This picture tells us the girl sitting near the fire with the cat. Okay, and they are gentle and good with each other. Now, which are the rhyming words which have come in the poem, children? Do you see any rhyming words? Rhyming words means the similar sounding words. So here we see that warm, hum. They are the rhyming words. The next rhyming words are away, play. Okay? Food, good. Food, good. Which else is there? Tail, play. No, not possible. Tail play is possible? No. So these are the rhyming words. Okay? Rhyming words are those words which sound similar, which are same in sounding. Okay? Now next question. Children, tell me, do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Write in the comment box. And what is the name of your pet? You must have given a name to your pet. Yes? Okay. Now next is tell few sentences about your favorite animal. You have to tell few sentences about your favorite animal. Yes, children. So it can be a dog, it can be a cat, it can be a bird also. So you have to tell few sentences. So these two questions, write in the comment box and let me know. Now, next, some new words which have come in the poem. You have to be familiar with their spelling. The first word is warm. Okay, WARM, warm. HURT, hurt. HARM, harm. DRIVE, drive. GENTLY, gently. FIRE, fire. TAIL, tail. So these are all the new words which have come in the poem. Your homework is you are going to learn the poem and how to recite and also learn the spellings of these new words. Okay, children, we will meet in the next class now. Bye. Thank you.